Trump might advance 4.9% by tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector suggests. But first, let's check what the price has been doing today. According to the current data, Trump has moved down 3.3% today and sits around $2.001. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. Gov Capital Collector's scenario puts the price at $2.093 tomorrow, showing a 4.9% move. Digital coin price projects Trump might move toward $2.008. That's about 0.7% up. CoinLore highlights it potentially dipping to $1.99, a fall of approximately 0.3%. Another prediction from Crypto Predictions shows Trump could hit $1.944 on the downside, an estimated decrease of 2.6%. Finally, CoinDataFlow sees $1.86 by tomorrow. That's 6.8% down from now. This is the strongest payoff scenario. We've gone over 5 predictions. Let's continue. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a decline of 6.8% and an increase of 4.9%, depending on the analyst. This means CoinDataFlow stands at the top with 6.8% climb in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might earn between $3 and $68 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, CoinLore's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 94.6% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. Consensus estimates indicate Trump trading near $1.979. Let's take a look at the numbers. The consensus trend signals a 0.8% decline by tomorrow. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 0.8%. On an 1,000, that outcome could suggest roughly $8 more. So the odds of this consensus scenario for Trump being fulfilled are about 93.1%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. Gov Capital Collector notes that Trump could push higher. Digital Coin Price believes the market is set to remain unchanged. For the coming days, also CoinLore sees the price holding steady without any strong trend developing. Crypto Predictions sees Trump trending lower. Additionally, CoinDataFlow expects the chart to tilt downward. All forecasts merged together show a bearish scenario with Trump moving downward. Therefore, the overall picture shows that most forecasts anticipate downside. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? In the end, yesterday's market closed at $1.951. Only one prediction managed to capture the true direction. Crypto Predictions had the most spot on prediction. Time to check the outcome in detail. Every forecast stayed within the limits of yesterday's candle. As for ROI, all analysts finished in profit, with CoinDataFlow leading at 5.6%. On screen now is the recap view, a compact overview of forecast performance. In this comparison, CoinDataFlow was assigned 63.1% forecast probability, inaccuracy, and 5.6% ROI. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Trump. Trump doesn't lead in this forecast as Hyperliquid stands highest with 3.5%. In this section, Trump appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. That's it, guys. Every day connects to the next, so hit subscribe to stay in the loop. See you later.